Hello friends. So, hope you are doing well. We have already doing this series from last month, that is February, and we have covered the papers from 2023. Here we are on paper of 2016, paper 3. The I am also providing the question papers with solution in my Telegram channel, so you can go and check it out. The link is in description. You can also subscribe to my channel for more videos which will cover the answer keys which is not provided by the set. So we will try to cover them also. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So let's check the first question. Here the first question is, early food producing societies emerged in Balochistan and northern fringes of Vindhyas in. So when did it emerge? It emerged in 7,000 to 3,000 BC. Yes, it was the time period of Neolithic period. Yes, domestication of animals and for settlements were emerging at that time. The following scholar did not excavate any Harappan site. Not. Please make a note of this. Not. So, Rakhaldas Banerjee, associated with Mohenjo-daro. Madho Swarup Vats with Harappa in 1926. Dayaram Sahani, Harappa in 1921. And V. Gordon Shield or Child. Yes, he is not associated with anything. The Harappan seals were made from the material steatite. Yes, steatite. Fourth, Adi Purana was composed by Jinasena. Yes. He was a 9th century Digambar monk, and the Adi Purana is having details about the life of Rishabhnath, the fourth Tirthankar. Yes. Also there is one more written by Pampa, who was the Telugu Jain poet, Adi Purana Vikram Arjuna or Vijaya or Pampa Bharata. Yes. Fifth, in routine timetable of king, Kautilya divided night into 8 parts. Option D. According to Jataka stories, question 6, which of the following officers were collecting taxes from the people? It was option B. Option C. Tundias and Acacias. Yes. Question number 7. Which new officer was appointed by Asoka during his reign? It was Dharma Mahamatra. Yes, these were the officer of morality or inspectors of Dharma, used to preach Dharma. Yes, preach Dhamma. 8. The following site doesn't have any rock art. Maski, Bhimbetka, Pikilahal and Dahemabad. It's Dahemabad, which is in Nagar district of Maharashtra. It's a Chalcolithic site, and it is Harappan site because there we have got the evidences of bronze statues. Chalcolithic site. Which of the following is not a part of Bhartrihari's Trishataka? Bhartrihari Trishataka. So, Niti Shatak, Shringar Shatak and Vairagya Shatak are the options, are its parts, but Achar Shatak is not its part. By the way, he was a philosopher. Bhartrihari was a philosopher, and he has written 2 books, the Trishataka and Trikhandi. Yes. Which of the following pairs is correctly matched? Samudra गुप्त अलाहाबाद पिलर inscription, स्कंदगुप्त भितरी पिलर inscription, बुद्धगुप्त Iran stone pillar inscription, Chandragupta Hathi Gumpa inscription. So here 2 options are correct. Option A, Samudragupta Allahabad pillar inscription and Skandagupta Bhitari pillar inscription. By the way, Iran pillar inscription was associated with Samudragupta and the Hathi Gumpa inscription with Kharavela of Kalinga. Okay, Allahabad Prashasti by Hari Sen, who the theory of Shunya Veda is attributed to 11th. We have discussed about this in previous year paper of 2017 2018. Oh sorry, 2020. Yes, he was a Buddhist philosopher who wrote the book Ratnavali. Yes, Ratnakar. Ratnavali is associated with someone else. Who employed broken man theory to explain emergence of untouchability? Broken man theory. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Yes, Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. According to Ambedkar, who was the author of Manu Samhita? Who was the author? Sumati Bhargav. Yes, option D, Sumati Bhargav or Swayambhuva. He was also known as Bhrigu. Yes, वो ब्राह्मण्स थे. Question number 13th, option D. Which of the following Rashtrakut rulers patronized Jainism? Rashtrakut rulers patronized Jainism. It was Amavvarsha, who was son of Govind III. एंड वो उनका इन्फ्लुएंस, वो कैसे इन्फ्लुएंस हुए थे जैनिज़्म से? विथ जो जैन सेना थे जिन्होंने आदि पुराण लिखी थी, वो उनके गुरु थे. यस, 2 क्वेश्चंस रिलेटेड हो गए. देखिए, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग हिस्टोरियंस हैज डिपिक्टेड गुप्ता एज एज गोल्डन एज? गुप्ता एज एज गोल्डन एज. R.C. Mazumdar. He was a historian and wrote many books about ancient India and medieval India. Mostly his strong point was ancient India. R.C. Mazumdar. Which of the following is not a feature of Indian feudalism? Lord-serf relationship, use of extra economic coercion, land grants as agrahar and brahmadaya, localization of trade. Lord-serf relationship. Yes. ये कब से स्टार्ट हुई थी? गुप्ता एज से टिल मुगल पीरियड. इंडियन फेडरलिज्म, इट वॉज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम यूरोपियन एंड इट वॉज मिक्स्ड इकोनॉमिक बेसिस विथ एग्रारियन एंड लैंड बेस्ड सिस्टम. हु वॉज द अडोरिंग डाइटी ऑफ अलवर सेंट्स? अलवर माने जो विष्णु भगवान के भक्त है, और जो ये शिवा के है उनका नाम क्या है? नयनार. Yes, Nayanar. The head of military department during Sultanate. Military department head. It was Arz-e-Mumalik. He used to recruit soldiers and administer the department. Vishti is referred as Vishti. It was prevalent during the Gupta period. It is a form of forced labor, a source of income for the state. विष्टि फोर्स्ड लेबर टर्म है, याद रखिए. 25th मुगल एम्परर हैड इंट्रोड्यूस द दुअस्पा शिहस्पा प्रणाली इन द मनसबदारी सिस्टम. दुअस्पा शिहस्पा इन मनसबदारी सिस्टम. इट वॉज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड बाय जहांगीर. यस, इट वॉज अ सब रैंक ऑफ सवार. सवार कौन होते थे? जिनके पास में हॉर्सेस रहते थे. And it was used extensively and was formalized by Shah Jahan. Yes, start Jahangir ने किया था. 21. The factor mainly responsible for the widespread revolts by Jats, Satnamis, Bundelas and Sikhs after the reign of Aurangzeb was agrarian crisis in the Mughal empire. Option C. 21 का ऑप्शन सी. और जब औरंगजेब थे तब क्यों लोग भड़क रहे थे? बिकॉज ऑफ हिज रिलीजियस पॉलिसीज़. जो वो रीजनल ऑटोनॉमी थी बाकी किंग्स की उसको अंडरमाइन कर रहे थे, हैवी टैक्सेशंस, कल्चरल क्लैशेस, ये सारे रीज़न. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सूफी सेक्ट adopted itself most to Indian conditions? Sufi sect adopted itself most to the Indian conditions. It was Chishti. Yes. Prevalent in Afghanistan and India. It was the first of the 7 main orders. एंड इसके ये ऑर्डर के सबसे फेमस कौन है? सैयद मोहम्मद निज़ामुद्दीन औलिया, जिनकी जो अभी भी दिल्ली में जिनका मॉस्क है. यस, चिश्ती ऑर्डर काफ़ी फेमस हुआ था. नाउ 23rd. व्हाट वाज मीन बाय अमारम इन द विजयनगर एम्पायर? विजयनगर एम्पायर में अमारम वाज टेरिटरी असाइंड टू मिलिट्री चीफ्स, नायक्स और पॉलीगार्स. मिलिट्री चीफ्स जो कि नायक और पॉलीगार्स जिन्हें बोलते थे, उनके लिए लैंड थी अमारम. इन वॉट वे डिड द इंटरनल एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव सिस्टम ऑफ द मुगल्स कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट टू द डिसइंटीग्रेशन ऑफ द एम्पायर? सीधा सीधा, it was highly centralized and could not be properly managed by incompetent rulers. आफ्टर औरंगजेब काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग रूलर्स आए नहीं एंड उनका कोई ज़्यादा इन्फ्लुएंस रहा नहीं, और जो पावर ज़्यादा सेंट्रलाइज हो जाती है तो इट इज़ टेंड टू ब्रेक. यस, और वही हुआ था मुगल एम्पायर के साथ. व्हाट इज़ इजरा? व्हाट इज़ इजरा? इट इज़ द awarding the privilege of collection of land revenue to the highest bidder. Ijra or revenue farming system started by the 9th Mughal Emperor Jahandar Shah on advice of Zulfikar Khan. जहांदर शाह ने स्टार्ट किया था इजारा. जो सबसे ज़्यादा बोली लगाएगा उसे प्रिविलेज मिलेगा कलेक्शन करने का, लैंड रेवेन्यू. Who among the following believed that architecture, agriculture, tailoring and weaving were necessary crafts? It was Ibn Khaldun. He was a philosopher, Tunisian philosopher. और उन्होंने कौन सी बुक लिखी है? मुकद्दिमा. He wrote Muqaddima. Yes. Who was the author of Travels in the Mughal Empire? Francois Berner, a French physician and traveler, जो इंडिया कब आए थे? 1658 में. And he was the physician to Dara Shikoh. Who was Dara Shikoh? He was son of Shah Jahan, dearest son of Shah Jahan. And who killed Dara Shikoh? Aurangzeb. 28. The Jahaz Mahal is in Mandu, Madhya Pradesh. Yes. And who built the Jahaz Mahal? It was built by Ghiyasuddin Khilji. And it is still very famous for its floral festival which takes place in October. The play Mata Vilas Prahans was authored by Mahendra Varman. Yes, Mahendra Varman I, Pallava king. Yes, it is a one-act play which is also known as Sport of the Drunkards. It is an argument of Shaivite and a Buddhist monk. Yes. We have also discussed about Mahendra Varman in the previous videos of 17, 18. Okay. 30. What is Pitra Dura? It is a technique of inlaying mosaic with hard and precious stone. It is prevalent in the Shah Jahan art. क्योंकि शाहजहाँ ने इंट्रोड्यूस किया था इसे इंडिया में। और अभी भी ताजमहल में आप इसे देख सकते हैं। मोज़ेक लाइक मोज़ेक पता है आपको, स्मॉल स्मॉल पीसेस को एक साथ बनाकर इमेज बनती है ऐसे। वेयर इज़ अढ़ाई दिन का झोपड़ा? अढ़ाई दिन का झोपड़ा, इट इज़ इन अजमेर। यस, अढ़ाई दिन का झोपड़ा विच इज़ अ हिस्टोरिकल मॉस्क built by Abu Bakr of Herat, one of the oldest in India. अढ़ाई दिन का झोपड़ा by Abu Bakr. Now there is passage question. डायरेक्ट हम क्वेश्चन पे जाएंगे। मैं PDF प्रोवाइड करूँगी, आप उसमें पैसेज पढ़ लेना। एक्स्ट्रा इन्फॉर्मेशन के लिए काम आता है पैसेज, अभी तो आते नहीं, बट इसमें से अगर कुछ भी इन्फॉर्मेशन आ गई नेक्स्ट एग्जाम में तो काम आएगा। हु वॉज जागीरदार? मनसबदार हु वॉज गिवन अ ग्रांट ऑफ लैंड रेवेन्यू इक्विवेलेंट टू हिज सैलरी। हु वॉज जागीरदार? ओके, यहाँ पर हमें जागीरदार कौन होते हैं एक्चुअली पता चल गया। लैंड ग्रांट ऑफ लैंड रेवेन्यू, the system of Watan Jagirs was applied to the Rajput nobility. The grant of Watan Jagirs proves the independence of Rajput rulers, or the importance of Rajputs in the Mughal system. Yes, उन्हें वो इम्पोर्टेंट थे, इसीलिए उन्हें वतन जागिर्स दिया जाती थी। Now 35th, the Battle of Vandivash was fought between the English and the French. और इसमें किसकी जीत हुई थी? इंग्लिश की। ये भी क्वेश्चन हमने काफ़ी बार कर लिया है पहले। 36, हु फाउंडेड द एशियाटिक सोसाइटी ऑफ बंगाल इन 1784? इट वॉज विलियम जोन्स। इसमें काफ़ी दोनों इन्फॉर्मेशन है, किसने फाइंड किया था हमें बस ये बताना है। इन 1784 विलियम जोन्स फाउंड एशियाटिक सोसाइटी ऑफ बंगाल, या फिर कब फाइंड की थी? इन 1784। ऐसे हम क्वेश्चंस बना सकते हैं और हम ही उसे सॉल्व भी कर सकते हैं। Now there is match the pairs. Go back to Vedas. We must conquer the world through our spirituality and philosophy. Tryst with Destiny and Inqilab Zindabad. Now Tryst with Destiny, ये काफ़ी फेमस लाइन्स है, बुक है बाय जवाहरलाल नेहरू। सो इसका आंसर है 3 का D किसी में है? C। एलिमिनेशन करके भी हम निकाल सकते हैं, बाकी भी हम ऑप्शंस चेक करेंगे, बट एलिमिनेशन से तो हमें मिल गया। गो बैक टू वेदास वॉज गिवन बाय स्वामी दयानंद सरस्वती। वी मस्ट कंक्योर द वर्ल्ड थ्रू आवर स्पिरिचुअलिटी एंड फिलोसॉफी बाय स्वामी विवेकानंद। ओके, एंड इंकलाब जिंदाबाद किसने दिया था? पोएट इकबाल। Yes, poet Iqbal. Who said patriotism is religion and religion is love for India? Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Which among the following is not a reason for requirement of the increased working capital credit for commercialization of agriculture? Commercial agriculture needed more investment. Payment of revenue was in kind to buy food harvest before harvest. Needed to borrow the money. Cash crops were traded over long distance, so there was a greater need for ready money. Payment of revenue was in kind is not a reason. Gandhiji's Champaran movement was started to solve the problem of indigo workers. Champaran Satyagraha of 1917, first Satyagraha. Rabindranath Tagore surrendered his knighthood to the British because of the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Same question was repeated in 2017. And इन्हें कब मिला था? 1915 में मिला था बाय किंग। किंग ने दिया था इन्हें। Who was the president of the Congress when it passed a resolution of Purna Swaraj? It was Jawaharlal Nehru in 1928 December session of Congress. Wait a minute. It's not working. The first session of All India Trade Union Congress held in Bombay in 1920 was presided by Lala Lajpat Rai. Yes, Lala Lajpat Rai. And N.M. Joshi is also a founding member of All India Trade Union Congress. ये भी है. हमने लास्ट पेपर में जो पेपर 2 था उसमें डिस्कस किया था अबाउट एन.एम. जोशी. इसमें भी 1920 में कहाँ हुआ था, बॉम्बे में, ये सब कुछ दिया हुआ. Who of the following was not an extremist leader of Indian National Congress? Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Bipin Chandra Pal. It's Gopal Krishna Gokhale, GKG. Because Lal, Bal and Pal ये तीनों थे जो एक्सट्रीमिस्ट थे. Who was associated with the struggle against Mulshi Dam? It was Senapati Bapat. Yes, he was Senapati Bapat or Pandurang Mahadev Bapat and V.M. Bhukute. Yes, Bhuskute. Yes, V.M. Bhuskute. सेनापति बापट. अभी भी बापट रोड नाम से इन्हें ये काफ़ी फेमस है, सेनापति बापट रोड. इट इज़ इन पुणे. एंड ये जो मुल्शी डैम है, बिकॉज ऑफ इट 52 villages were submerged. Now, who among the following is not part of the Congress Socialist Party? Socialist and Reformist में who was not the part of Socialist? केशव राव जेडे. Yes, केशव राव जेडे ये भी पुणे से बिलोंग करते हैं. He is a member of Indian National Congress. He was, and he also founded the Peasants and Workers Party of India and संयुक्त महाराष्ट्र मूवमेंट. ये दो चीज़ों से भी ये एसोसिएटेड है. जे थे. ओके. सोशल जस्टिस में इनका काफ़ी ज़्यादा नाम है. Who started भूदान मूवमेंट? It was D. Vinoba Bhave, Acharya Vinoba Bhave in 1952. Land to the landless. The Morley Minto reforms. We have discussed this in the paper of 2000 something. Yes, starting 2020-21. The Morley Minto reforms of 1909 provided for the first time separate communal electorate. 48 answer option B, separate communal electorate. Government of India Act 1909. Separate Muslim Hindu electorates. Now arrange the following. Gandhi March, Lord Irwin's Declaration, Communal Award, Gandhi-Irwin Pact. So the correct option is option D. Lord Irwin Declaration in 1928. Then Gandhi March 1930. Communal Award 1931. Communal Award 1932 में होता है. पैक्ट हुआ है गांधी इरविन पैक्ट 1931 में. And this is in September 1932. Communal Award. The Government of India Act of Dash separated Burma from India. Government of India Act of 1935 separated Burma from India. Question number 51. The Congress assertion and reason. Congress decided to boycott second roundtable conference. The British government refused to grant complete independence for India. उसका रीज़न. सेकेंड में गए थे, गांधी जी गए थे और उनके साथ में एसोसिएट्स भी गए थे उनके. फर्स्ट बॉयकॉट किया था. बोथ A and B, A and R are wrong. 52. Farsi Prakashak or Farsi Prakashak Prakash. The Persian Sanskrit Dictionary. Persian Sanskrit Dictionary was compiled by Krishnadas. Yes, Farsi Prakash. Persian Sanskrit Dictionary. Who argued the facts and interpretations are inseparable. Facts and interpretations are inseparable. E.H. Carr. In his book What is History? He also wrote the book 20 Years Crisis. Yes, Theory of Realism by E.H. Carr. Which among the following is the correct statement about Arnold Toynbee's theory? We will directly check the answer. Decline of civilization has 3 stages: breakdown, disintegration and dissolution. Arnold Toynbee's theory. Decline of civilization, 3 stages: breakdown, disintegration and dissolution. Which among the following historians was first to argue that caste has a material basis? It was R.S. Sharma. Yes, R.S. Sharma. Caste has material basis. Who opined that all history is contemporary history? All history is contemporary history. Croce. It was Croce. Option B. Now, there is very little asked about the world history, so we are just going through the questions. Mark Bloch and Lucien Febvre were associated with the Annal School. This question is repeated, like in every paper it is repeated. 17, 18, now 16. बस नेम चेंज कर देते हैं, बट स्टिल 3 नेम्स आर वेरी प्रिवेलेंट. मार्क ब्लॉक, ल्यूसियन फेब्रे. यस, दिस नेम्स आर वेरी प्रिवेलेंट. चेक करना, अगर है तो एनल स्कूल लिख देना. द बुक राइज ऑफ मराठा पावर वॉज ऑथर्ड बाय M.G. रानाडे. यस, महादेव गोविंद रानाडे. द राइज ऑफ मराठा पावर. The hypothesis of the train of wealth was first propounded by Dadabhai Naoroji. Yes, in his paper Train of Wealth Theory. काफी फेमस है. Who used Gramsci's theory of war of possession and war of maneuver in the writing of history? Who used it? Question number 60. Option is B. Bipin Chandra in writing of history. Which tradition of historical thought upheld substantialism and humanism? It was Greek tradition. In which of the following theories do we find the concept of surplus value? It's Marxism. Option 62. Option is C. First question number 62. Concept of surplus value, Marxism. The author of the book Social Contract. We all know it. It's Rousseau. Yes, Social Contract. It is also a repeated question. Jean Rousseau. The socio-economic and administrative system that emerged in Europe after 5th century AD was known as manorial system. Manor. 64th option is A. Durand Line was between British India and Afghanistan. Option B. Durand Line. It was set up in the late 19th century में बनाई गई थी Durand Line. The book History of the Decline and Fall of Roman Empire was authored by 66th option is Edward Gibbon. Yes, ये भी रिपीट हुआ है, हमने ये सॉल्व किया था मैच द पेयर्स में. Fugitive Slaves Act of 1793 and 1850 were passed in USA. Option B, USA. Fugitive Slaves Act. The British Parliament abolished slavery in British Empire in year ब्रिटिश पार्लियामेंट ने कब अबॉलिश की थी? इन द ईयर 1833। वुड्स डिस्पैच के टाइम इंडिया में जब वुड्स डिस्पैच आया था। द फर्स्ट मेजर इवेंट ऑफ ग्रांटिंग राइट्स टू पीपल वॉज साइनिंग ऑफ मैग्ना कार्टा। यस, फर्स्ट मेजर इवेंट। At the instance of allies, the Ottoman Empire was dismembered in 1920 by Treaty of Sevres. Yes, Treaty of Sevres. Ottoman Empire dismembered. Who among the following Chinese 71? Who among the following Chinese Communist Party leader was the most prominent victim of Cultural Revolution? Liu Shaoqi. Yes, Liu Shaoqi. Option A. Which US president endorsed Department of State's decision to send volunteers overseas to meet requirements for skilled manpower? It was J.F. Kennedy. Now, what do you understand by mulatto? A person of mixed race, usually with parents of European and African origin. Option B. The turning point in the history of apartheid was de Klerk's announcement in February 1991. Option B, 74. It's 1990. Sorry. Option A, 1990. Who wrote "Man is born free and everywhere he is shackled"? Jean-Jacques Rousseau. सोशल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट भी इन्होंने लिखी है एंड मैन इज बॉर्न फ्री एंड एवरीवेयर ही इज शैकल्ड इज ऑल्सो रिटन बाय रूसो. So here we conclude the amazing session. Hope you all enjoyed it. We haven't covered much about the world history because अभी हम उसके बारे में ज़्यादा पूछते नहीं हैं अभी के पेपर्स में. Just for knowledge we have gone through it. We will continue the series for the remaining paper. And yes, we are going to add few more videos about different topics. So stay tuned, subscribe the channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.